Hi everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to change Cash App from business to personal. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Before starting, let me tell you that you cannot change your account from business Cash App into a personal Cash App directly. So if you want to get around the situation and change your business account to personal, then you need to contact the Cash App customer service. First of all, tap open your Cash App application to get started. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are, tap on the little human icon located at the upper right hand corner from your Cash App application. Scroll all the way down to support and give it a tap. From the support page, select something else option. Now, in order to reach out to the support, tap on Can't Access Old Accounts option. Scroll all the way down and tap on Contact Support. Once you end up in this page that says Talk to Support, tap on the chat button at the bottom left. Now go ahead and enter whatever your issue is. If you've set your Cash App account as a business account and you'd like to change it to personal, then simply go ahead and type in that you've accidentally created a business account and you'd like to change it to personal into the text box. Once you type in the message, send it to the Cash App support team and wait for the reply from them. That is how you can easily contact Cash App support team if you'd like to change your business account to personal with your Cash App accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.